Quartz tube rotary furnaces are widely used for processing new energy battery materials, such as silicon carbon anodes, hard carbon, and carbon-coated materials, catalysts, nanomaterials, and high-purity powders. The rotation of the tube ensures uniform material agitation, while heat treatment can be conducted under a controlled atmosphere. Quartz material offers advantages such as high temperature resistance, corrosion resistance, high purity, and a low risk of material contamination.